Hello, Team Green. Let's get ready for calendar. It is an exciting day today because it's a new month. You'll notice that calendar looks all different because yesterday was the last day of August. Today is September 1st. So you can see I changed this up here to September. We're moving along in the year. Today is Tuesday, September 1st, 2020. Let's see, we have all new things to do today. This is so fun. 10 less, 10 more, 1 less, and 1 more. So let's talk about this. We know how to count by tens. So what I'm going to do is, I think we'll write it down here. We'll put our little chart so that everyone can see what we're doing. So the number is 41 today. And it kind of has a thing like this. Okay, so the number is 41. And we need to do, let's start with 10 less and 10 more. And we know how to do this because we know how to count by tens. So here we go. If it's 41, get your hands up. Let's start with 10 less. Remember, these are our big brothers. We have 4 big brothers and 1 baby. The baby is going to stay the same when we count by tens. So if we do 10 less, that means we need to take away a big brother. So instead of 41, take away 1, we have 31. So we're going to write that up here. 31. So now we're going to do 10 more. So go back to 41. If we're doing more, that means we're going to add a big brother. So add a big brother. So instead of 41, we have 51. And that's going to go down here. Let's count by tens. And you can see, I know it's a little bit small down here, but you can see that if we're counting by tens, we have 31, 41, 51. And that's how we've been counting by tens. So let's do that. Let's start with 31. Here we go. We're just going to keep adding big brothers when we count by tens. The babies stay the same. We're not counting by ones. No babies. We're counting by tens. So here we go. 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, 101. Let's go back down. 91, 81, 71, 61, 51. I'm still taking them away. 41, 31, 21, what's that number? 11, and when I take that last 10 stick away, we just have 1. Nice job, friends, counting by tens. So now we need to count by ones. We're going to do 1 more and 1 less. When we count by ones, that means that the big brothers stay the same and the babies change. It's the baby's turn this time. So here we go. We have the number 41 right here in the middle. We're going to do 1 more and 1 less. Let's start with 1 less. Remember, the babies are the ones that are changing. The big brother is always going to stay as a 4. So if we're going to do 1 less, that means we're going to take away a baby. What number is this? The 4 and a 0. 40. So if we're doing 1 less, we have 40. So now this is almost like counting. 40, 41. You might already know the answer, but let's go through it just in case. Hey, let's go back to 41. Remember, we're only changing the babies. We want to do 1 more. So we're going to add another baby. So now we have 42. Who knew it was 42 already? 42. So if we count by ones, if we count by the babies, we have 40, 41, 42. And now our whole chart's complete. That's what we just did right here. We did 10 less, 10 more, 1 less, and 1 more. That's how we did it today. I want to talk to you about our calendar before we add a day of school. You'll notice that there's some things on our calendar today. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is Labor Day. There's no school on Labor Day, and that's on Monday coming up. Okay, so next week on Monday, there's no school, so you won't have any assignments that day. You get a day off. The next thing I want to talk to you about right here, it's Violet's birthday coming up on next Wednesday. So not tomorrow Wednesday, but the next Wednesday's Violet's birthday. So we will have to make sure to sing happy birthday to her at our class meeting. So look forward to that, Violet. The last thing I want to show you over here, what does this say? Let's see. Can you read that? It says, Miss Graykowski's wedding. I am actually getting married coming up this weekend on Saturday. So that means I'm going to have a husband, I'm going to have a big wedding, and wear a dress. So I am getting married. You can still call me Miss Graykowski. I am going to be changing my name to Miss Allen, so you can call me both if you want, but I'll still be Miss Graykowski for this school year because it's just easier. So that is my wedding day coming up. That's a very, very big day for me. So that's what's on our calendar. We might add more things, but for now, that's what we have. Let's add a day of school. So for today, adding a day. Oh, it's going to be so hard. I hope we can count all of our babies. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2. Whew. Oh, it was so high. Okay, and so we'll put a 2 there. And let's count our big brothers. How many big brothers do we have? Ready? 1. One bundle of big brothers. So that's going to say the same. Repeat after me. Repeat after you. 0 hundreds. 0 hundreds. 1 10. 1 10. And 2 ones. And 2 ones. Makes the number. What number is this? If I have the digit a 1 and the digit 2, when I push them together, what number is that? That is the number 12. We have been in school for 12 days. 12 days of school. Thank you so much for joining me for calendar today. It's always a great day when I get to see you. Have a good day.